These are the old injectors that I pulled out last weekend. These first two and first three actually were remanufactured injectors replaced in the van at some point in the past, long before I got it. Anyway, lots of carbon on that tip, but the O-rings were in good condition. Same with this one. I'm sure it's a little hard to see, but these O-rings were, I think, functioning properly. The next five I determined did have bad O-rings, and as you can see, the fuel rail section of this is quite discolored. The tips were not as carboned up, and it's going to be hard to see, but there's a section of the outer skin of the bottom O-ring is gone. It's about an inch long section, and that's going to be the same as the next four injectors. Again, the fuel section discolored, darkened, as well as a chunk of this skin of this O-ring is gone. One of these, as I mentioned, I found a chunk of the O-ring in the fuel drain plug when I drained it prior to taking out the injectors, which was quite a surprise. Anyway, this one in the lower section here, there are marks on that section. Appear to be the darker one. This chunk appears to be perhaps rust, which certainly makes me wonder about the cup for this injector. And again, a section of the skin of the O-ring is gone. Now I have the pieces of the O-rings. They did come out with the when the O-rings were pulled out, so there aren't any missing sections of O-ring, but all of the copper washers came out as it indicated. I think the tips were carboned up enough so as the copper washer would not easily slip off when I was removing the injectors. So again, discoloration in the fuel rail section of the injector, and some carbon on the tip, and the skin of the O-ring missing. So same thing with this one. So this makes the fifth injector with a portion of the O-ring missing, discoloration, and a carbon tip, but the washer's there. So all in all, 5 injectors with bad O-rings, and 3 of them more recently replaced. And so hopefully that's helpful information to help diagnose this injector problem. Thanks.